Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. In today's video I have this infrared thermometer from Parkside, the model PITM A1 for fast surface temperature measurement. 3 years warranty, included batteries. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. The manual, 2 3A batteries, and the thermometer. The on-off button and to choose Celsius or Fahrenheit. On-off pressed 3 seconds. We have the display, the measure button, small and portable, it can fit anywhere, the laser pointer and the infrared sensor. Nothing to see inside. And the battery compartment. Nice. 3 seconds press and hold. I placed the batteries wrong. Oh, now it is on. And there's the display. Press this button to choose Fahrenheit or Celsius, and then the trigger, and it will continuously measurement any surface. Release, and that is the measurement. And we can see the max here. Now let's find something to measure, cold and hot. But before that, let me tell you that the measuring range it is -32 to +365 degrees Celsius. And the tolerance it is more or less 2.5 degrees Celsius or 2.5%. Honestly, for such an affordable and versatile device, the infrared thermometer is a fantastic diagnostic tool. Its ability to instantly measure surface temperatures is invaluable for troubleshooting hot spots in electrical panels, checking for insulation leaks around the house, verifying oven temperatures, or even diagnosing engine trouble. It's an essential, safe, and contact-free way to find thermal issues, and a great addition to any DIYers or professionals toolkit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future reviews and tool tests. Thanks so much for tuning in everyone, keep those temperatures in check and I'll catch you in the next one.